In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to open ChatGPT in your browser. Opening ChatGPT is a simple process that can be done right from your computer. If you're eager to begin, let's dive straight into it. First, open your preferred web browser on your device. This could be Chrome, Firefox, Safari, or any other browser you typically use. Ensure that your internet connection is active and stable, as a good connection will make your experience faster and smoother. Once your browser is open, navigate to the search bar at the top. You might already know the web address for ChatGPT, but don't worry if not. Simply type ChatGPT into the search bar and press Enter. This will direct you to the search results page, which should list various options. Look for the official ChatGPT website link. It usually appears at the top of the results. Click on the link to the official site to make sure you're on the right page. This way, you'll avoid ending up in any sketchy areas of the web. After you've reached the site, you'll need to look around for any prompts or options to either log in or get started. If ChatGPT is a service you've used before and you already have an account, go ahead and click the Login button. Enter your credentials like your email and password. If you've forgotten your password, most services offer a Forgot Password option you can use to reset it. If you're new to ChatGPT, there's usually a sign-up option available. Following that, you'll likely be asked to provide some basic information, such as an email address and a password, to create a new account. Once you're logged in, or as a new user, signed up and logged in, you're all set and ready to start using ChatGPT. The interface you see is intuitive and straightforward, designed to get you chatting quickly. To begin a conversation, look for the text box, typically located at the bottom of the screen. Click inside the text box to activate it, and start typing your question or request. After typing your message, press the Enter key or click on the send icon, which will send your message off to ChatGPT. In just moments, a response will appear, and you can engage in a full-fledged conversation, asking questions and receiving information as needed. By following these steps, you can easily access ChatGPT and start exploring its functionalities for anything you might need. It's an efficient tool that offers a wealth of information right at your fingertips. Enjoy interacting with ChatGPT and make the most out of your digital experience.